In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all shared posts on Facebook in one click. Now, here's the most important thing up front. Facebook doesn't offer a true single button that wipes every shared post instantly. But it does give you a built-in bulk management tool that lets you filter only your shared posts, select them all at once, and move them to the trash in just a few taps or clicks. I'll show you exactly how to do that safely and efficiently without using risky third-party tools. Start by opening Facebook and going to your profile. On mobile, tap the three dots near your profile. Then open your activity log and choose Manage Your Posts. On desktop, go to your profile and look for the Manage Posts option under your cover area. From here, apply filters so you only see the content you want to remove. Choose categories that focus on your own posts and specifically your shared posts. You can also narrow things down by date to make large cleanups faster. Once the list is filtered, use Select All to highlight everything currently shown. Then choose Move to Trash. Confirm when prompted. This action removes the selected posts from your profile, and they'll sit in the trash for a limited time before permanent deletion. To finish the job, open the trash from your activity log and empty it. This final step permanently deletes the posts so they don't return. If you prefer a cautious approach, you can leave them in the trash for a bit and review. But be aware they won't be visible on your profile once they're in there. A few tips to make this smooth. If you've shared thousands of posts, do the cleanup in batches by year or by specific filters to avoid timeouts. If a post was created by someone else and you merely reshared it, you can remove it from your profile, but you can't delete the original from the other person's timeline. For tagged items, remove your tag instead of deleting, since you don't own those posts. For photos or albums you uploaded, confirm you're comfortable losing them permanently before you empty the trash. And if you run into a post that won't move to the trash, refresh the page, adjust filters, and try smaller selections. That's it. By using Facebook's Manage Posts with the right filters, you get as close as possible to a one-click cleanup, safely and all within Facebook's own tools.